Hi, Baba. Yan. So, we're getting ready, guys. Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be cycling to Lower Peirce Reservoir to catch the sunset. So hopefully merong sunset today. So actually katatapos na po ng ulan, and now I just want to show you kung ano yung mga dadalhin ko kapag nagsa-cycling kami. Yes, wait lang. Okay, so for today I will be bringing a backpack. Kasi dito ko mamaya ikakabit yung ating camera while traveling to Lower Peirce Reservoir. And of course, I have my power bank para sa mga cellphone na baka malubat. And of course, my mask. And inside my bag, I have an extra mask. Yes. And of course, meron din tayong sweet. So I have Oreo. This was given to me by Shika last Thursday after our cycling. So yes, and all of them will go inside the bag later. Okay. Alright guys, so Maki and I are ready to go. Yay! So today I'll be using my my foldable bike. Its brand is Between, and we bought it from Decathlon, and Maki is using the big bike right there. The name of the bike is Beast, so I have decided to name the other bike Beauty, para Beauty and the Beast. Wale. Okay. Alright, so we're going now. Ikakabit ko na yung camera sa bag, so that you'll be able to see yung mga sites papunta sa Lower Peirce Reservoir. Okay, alright guys, so we will resume with the vlogging. Hindi siya nag-record nung paalis kami sa house, but it's okay. So now we're on the road, and that one that you can see, it's Paya Lebar Square. Nandyan si Jollibee! Yes, we're just very blessed because sa area namin merong malapit na Jollibee. We don't have to go to Lucky Plaza anymore. Pero nag-aulan, naging kaya. So, tuloy pa ba tayo? Siyempre. Hindi ko bati. Hi guys! So it's actually raining, and we are actually contemplating kung itutuloy pa ba namin ang pagbabike na ito or kakain na lang kami. Okay, so yan. We are here na sa Aljunied. Ano man nagulan ka? Hi guys! So we're here at 7-Eleven. So hindi na kami natuloy sa Lower Peirce Reservoir because the ulan is not joking. So we're gonna do a mukbang instead. Charot lang. Wala mukbang. Okay, so we have chocolate bun. 100 plus. Dalawang 100 plus. So, 200 plus. Char. Walay. We have nuts. And this is my favorite. Oreo with, chocolate. Parang cream o siya ng Pinas. So, nag-collab si Oreo and Dairy Milk. Yeah. So, ano na te? Wala. Okay, so eat na lang ta. Hi guys! It's really a change of plan now because it's still raining. So, instead of going to Lower Peirce Reservoir, we are here at Decathlon Singapore Lab. So I believe that this is the biggest Decathlon here in Singapore. So that's Maki again. Anong password? Charot. Hi guys! So we are inside Decathlon Singapore Lab. And I saw Manong Daren just now, but he's busy pa. So let us tour you na lang inside Decathlon. Uh-oh. Okay, so bikes, of course.
Manong Daren.
Yeah, Manong Daren's bike. No, magalit try ba, no? Mr. Yan's bike. Oh, may Van Rysel. Oh. Nice color. Oy! And the price is tomato ginting na 2,200 pesos. Ay, dollars. Mukhang mahal sa road bike na between.
Van Rysel.
Gani, ari o 1.5 man.
Van Rysel.
Ay, Van Rysel mo nagala sa
Sa aluminum.
Bugat.
Sa aluminum.
Pwede mag-try.
Taas.
Hindi pwede mag. Try lang. Ano ko ba sa kaya? Pwede na, hindi na na.
Hindi na? Oh.
Taas siya, taas. Pero na, hindi mo ganun ba?
Carbon here.
Here, I'm wearing it's okay. Hindi niya alagay. Okay, I'm wearing Decathlon siya talaga. So this one, I bought it here. My cycling shorts, my jacket, $50 only, my gloves, and then my bike. Kagang bag. This one is not Decathlon. This one is Kina Kagan.
Yan. Ano kan? Masuk kan.
Sok-sok daw, Bel. Wow, gwapo ba? They also have pang gymnastics and pang ballet. Kids section. Yoga mat. Oh, actually guys, isang side pa lang to. May another side pa. So, yes. Ayan, mga pang swimming, running. Water sports.
Inflatable.
Yung lahat meron sila. Na pang sports, no? Also have shoes. 15 lang. 15 lang bala ay. Jogging. Oh, girls. Ah, nice color. Pink. Na, tapos dili ka matesting. Hey guys, so I tried it on and it's the right size for me, 38. Lami siya. Hi, Nong! Oh, kunyari, indescripted. This is Manong Daren. He's working here sa Decathlon. On all the bikes. And as you can see, guys, they have they have food court now. So they sell healthy food, healthy foods. Okay, guys, so we're done with the tour sa Decathlon Singapore Lab. So, alam, isang sunset, no? Okay. Yes. So now we are going to Marina Bay, Singapore. We're going to eat dinner. So thank you so much for watching my video. So sana sa susunod, hindi na siya umulan and we can finally go na to Lower Peirce Reservoir to catch the sunset. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye!